another video. I'm recording on my phone today because I'm letting my camera charge. I thought I was letting it charge. But yeah, I'm letting my camera charge, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out because my hair is bomb right now. So yeah, I know I said I wasn't going to straighten my hair and stuff like that, but you know, that little voice in your head, the little Kermit the Frog thing looking at you in the little hoodie, you know, after you get a protective style, you want to see how much your hair has grown and stuff like that. Show these, you know. So I got convinced to straighten my hair, and I'm gonna teach y'all, well, I'm gonna show y'all how I preserve this style, preserve this hairstyle and stuff with pin curls. So hair is curled and blah blah blah. I'm going to start with my bang because that's like the prettiest part to me. So you want to take your hair and you want to just start like rolling it up on an imaginary roller and just keep rolling it up and keep rolling it up. And you can either use the long pins or the short pins. I really like using the long pins because they hold a little bit better and my hair is a little bit thicker. So I use the long pin and just pin it like so. Let me show you guys one more time. I'm gonna take a bigger piece of my bang. And you can do these how small or how big you want. So that's like the front side where like all the like swooshing goes and stuff. So that's the front side. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this side. Don't mind my edges, I know they nappy, but I didn't feel like putting the flat iron that close to my forehead to try to get them straight. So we're just gonna have to deal with nappy edges today. Hopefully I can edit this video and have it up on today because today is Wednesday and on Wednesdays we wear pink.
On Wednesdays we wear pink.
Mean girls. But yeah, it kind of wouldn't make any sense if I upload this video and I have on Wednesdays we wear pink shirts. Then I'll just be looking tacky wearing a Wednesday shirt on a Thursday. Like, who does that? Like, that's why they make the shirt for you to wear it on Wednesday. This is an alternative to putting heat in your head every day and an alternative to flexi rise. I actually kind of like how the pin curls turned out a little bit better than a flexi rise for some reason. Maybe because I get more sleep with the pin curls. But I don't know, it's just something about the pin curls that I don't know what it is, especially like this part. Like, nothing can match what pin curls does for your bang. Like, nothing. You can even do this with weave. I know my prom day, I had went and got my hair done. I had a sew-in, but I went and got it curled the day of prom. My prom was horrible. Maybe I'll do a story time about my prom night. It was so many years ago, but I had a horrible prom. Experience. But yeah, I got my hair done the morning of prom and she just pin curled it for me and I kept it like that all day and it still looked like a little style. That was so fast, that was so quick. So this is just how the hair looks all the way around. And then just to add a little bit more protection, get your silk scarf. Tie it up really nice. And then I also like to secure it with a bonnet. And I go to sleep.
The next day.
So, hair is popping at 4:50 in the morning, y'all. I'm up before 5 filming this video for y'all. And, you know, I said it was worth it. The hair is popping. So I usually just like run my fingers through it and stuff like that. Comb that bang back and then push it back up just to give it that like swooshing look. And it came out really good. I wasn't expecting it to come out this nice since I did it so late last night. But yeah, that is another way you can get some popping curls in your hair without having to put heat in it, and to keep your hair popping for a few days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see an updated straight hair routine, and if you want to see what products I've been using. Comment down below, please, because I need more engagement on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.